Discover the top 5 best DJI drones of 2025, designed to take your creativity to new heights. From ultralight beginner models to professional dual-camera powerhouses, these drones deliver stunning 4K aerial footage, intelligent flight modes, and unbeatable portability. Whether you're a traveler, blogger, or pro filmmaker, DJI's links in the description for each product mentioned. Number 1. DJI Mini 4K Ultralight Foldable Camera Drone with 4K UHD Video, 3-axis gimbal, 31-minute flight time, GPS return to home, and beginner-friendly flight modes. 4K Ultra HD camera captures stunning aerial footage in crisp detail with 4K resolution and a 3-axis mechanical gimbal for smooth, cinematic shots. Ultra lightweight design, weighs under 249 g, no registration required in most regions, perfect for travel and on-the-go adventures. Extended flight time, enjoy up to 31 minutes of flight per charge for uninterrupted creativity. Stable GPS and auto return. Built-in GPS ensures stable hovering, precise positioning, and safe return to home functionality. Smart flight modes includes quickshots, droning, circle, and helix modes to capture professional-looking videos effortlessly. Intuitive control seamlessly connects to the DJI Fly app for easy flight control, live video feed, and quick editing tools. Wind resistance level 5, stable performance even in moderate wind conditions for reliable outdoor flying. The DJI Mini 4K redefines portable aerial photography with its powerful 4K camera and ultra-lightweight design. Designed for both beginners and experienced pilots, this compact drone delivers smooth, detailed footage thanks to its advanced 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Weighing less than 249 grams, it's easy to carry anywhere without registration hassles. With up to 31 minutes of flight time, intelligent GPS-assisted flight, and automatic return to home safety, you can explore the skies confidently. The DJI Fly app makes flying, filming, and sharing your content simple and fun, making the Mini 4K the perfect travel companion for every creator. Number 2. DJI Mini 3 Lightweight Foldable Camera Drone with 4K HDR Video, 38-minute flight time, true vertical shooting, and smart features. A stunning 4K HDR camera capture ultra-clear videos and vibrant photos in 4K HDR with rich detail and balanced contrast, even in bright or low-light conditions. Ultralight and portable, weighs under 249 g, perfect for travel and no FAA registration required in most regions. Extended flight time, up to 38 minutes of flight with the standard intelligent flight battery. Optional plus battery extends up to 51 minutes. True vertical shooting, easily switch to vertical mode for social media ready videos and photos, no cropping needed. Intelligent GPS and return to home ensures stable hovering, accurate positioning, and automatic return for safer flights. Smart quickshots includes droning, circle, helix, rocket, and boomerang for effortless cinematic effects. Wind resistance level 5, fly confidently with reliable stability in winds up to 38 km/h. The DJI Mini 3 is designed to make aerial photography simple, safe, and stunning. With a 4K HDR camera on a 3-axis gimbal, it captures smooth, professional-grade footage from breathtaking angles. Weighing less than 249 grams, this drone fits right in your pocket and is ideal for travel, hiking, or content creation on the go. Enjoy up to 38 minutes of flight per charge and explore creative modes like quickshots and panorama to elevate your storytelling. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned flyer, the DJI Mini 3 delivers powerful performance in a compact, easy-to-use package. Number 3. DJI Air 3 Dual Primary Camera Drone with 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video, 46-minute flight time, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and advanced intelligent flight modes. Dual 4K HDR cameras features a wide-angle and 3x medium tele-camera. Both support 48MP photos and 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video for cinematic detail and flexibility. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing, full 360-degree sensing with APS 5.0 ensures safe flight paths and automatic avoidance of obstacles. Impressive 46-minute flight time, fly longer with the high efficiency battery system designed for extended exploration and creativity. 04 HD video transmission delivers ultra-clear, low-latency 1080p live feed up to 20 km for precise control and confidence. Smart intelligent features includes focus track, master shots, waypoint flight, and quick transfer for effortless professional results. Wind resistance level 5 maintains stable footage even in strong winds for reliable outdoor performance. Foldable and travel-ready design, compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, perfect for photographers, travelers, and filmmakers. A foldable and travel-ready design, compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, perfect for photographers, travelers, and filmmakers. Number 4. DJI Neo Ultralight 135G Palm Launch 4K UHD Camera Drone with Intelligent Tracking and Quick Shots. Ultra lightweight design, weighing just 135G. The DJI Neo is one of DJI's lightest drones to date, easy to carry and ideal for quick flights. 4K video and 12MP photo capture, high-resolution 4K 30fps video and 12MP stills with half-an-inch sensor for quality footage. Palm takeoff and landing, launch and land from the palm of your hand, making it accessible and intuitive for new users. Subject tracking and Quick Shots modes. Follow me tracking. Drone orbit rocket spotlight modes let you get cinematic shots with minimal effort. Multiple control methods. Fly using smartphone app, Wi-Fi/Bluetooth, voice control, or optional RC controller for flexible usage. Built-in propeller guards provides added safety for indoor or compact flying scenarios. Meet the DJI Neo, a compact and intelligent drone designed for spontaneous aerial storytelling. At just 135G, it slips into a backpack or even a large pocket and is ready to fly at a moment's notice. With 4K video capability, 12MP photography, and intelligent subject tracking modes like Quick Shots, it caters to content creators, travelers, and casual pilots alike. The Neo's palm launch feature takes the hassle out of deployment. Just hold it, press the button, and it takes off or lands from your hand. For control, you can rely on the DJI Fly app via your smartphone, issue voice commands, or opt for a physical remote if you prefer full manual flight. The built-in propeller guards give you peace of mind when flying indoors or near people. Number 5. DJI Air 4 Pro Advanced Foldable Camera Drone with 4K 60fps HDR video, dual camera system, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, 40-minute flight time and travel-friendly design. Professional-grade dual multi-camera system captures stunning aerial imagery with 4K per 60 frames per second HDR and possibly higher video and dual multi-lens flexibility. Wide plus tele for creative freedom, lightweight and foldable travel design. Compact fold-down arms for portability, ideal for travel, outdoor adventures, and quick set up. Longer flight time, up to around 40 minutes of flight per full charge depending on configuration. For extended shooting sessions, omnidirectional obstacle sensing and advanced safety. Full direction sensors, front, back, up, down, sides help avoid collisions and enhance flight confidence. Smart flight modes and creative tools includes intelligent flight modes, active track, waypoint, Quick Shots for cinematic results with minimal effort, enhanced video transmission and control, reliable high-range video link, an intuitive controller or smartphone app integration, wind resistance and outdoor stability, designed to handle moderate wind conditions for outdoor use with stability and reliability. The DJI Air 4 Pro redefines portable drone performance by pairing cutting-edge imaging with travel-ready design. With its advanced camera system capturing crisp 4K HDR video and high-resolution photos, you can shoot professional quality aerial footage in a compact, fold-and-go format.